In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall Microsoft Teams from your Windows laptop or PC. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to click on this arrow icon over here, and here if you see Microsoft Teams over here, you can see I am seeing the Microsoft Teams icon. So we need to right click on this icon, and here we need to click on quit Teams. So after you quit Microsoft Teams from here, you need to go to your Windows search option and you need to search for setting. Here you can see setting, then go to apps, then go to install apps. So here we need to search for Teams. So here you can see Microsoft Teams. So we need to uninstall this. So for it, we need to click on this three dot, click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again, and it will start uninstalling Microsoft Teams. And there you can see it is uninstalled. And after that, here if you see Microsoft Teams or Microsoft Team machines, something like that, you should also uninstall that as well. So I'll just uninstall this, and Microsoft Teams is completely removed from your system. So there is no leftover files of Microsoft Teams. So yeah, this is how you can completely uninstall Microsoft Teams. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.